LRB Get Info presents 20 Painful Signs She Wants to End the Relationship. Why are you here? Is it because you can feel your relationship is hitting rock bottom? Do you sense that your girlfriend is falling out of love? Are you afraid she wants to end the relationship? If the above-mentioned questions are giving you sleepless nights, it is just right to deal with the issue. Trying to fight for a relationship is hard when your partner has already given up on it. Therefore, you must evaluate if you and your girlfriend are still on the same page or not. Read below to know some signs that your girlfriend already wants to end the relationship. Fading chemistry. 1. There is no spark between you anymore. Do you feel like there is no more connection between you? Like you seem to be meeting a stranger or casual acquaintance whenever you see her. Or she is not making any effort to be attractive in your eyes anymore, and she makes you feel unattractive yourself. 2. Her eyes are dull when she looks at you. If her eyes do not twinkle anymore when your gazes meet, consider it a sign. Since they say the eye is the window to the soul, looking at hers will give you an idea about her feelings. A woman in love is obvious through her bright eyes, especially when she looks at the person she likes. So, if her eyes seem lifeless when she looks at you, you know the answer to your question. 3. She laughs at your corny jokes no more. Your girlfriend probably used to love you goofing around. Was she always laughing hard whenever you cracked some corny jokes? How about now? If she no longer thinks they are funny, she has clearly changed. And she probably wants you to realize that nothing you do attracts her anymore. 4. Being together is suddenly boring. Were your latest dates boring? If you can feel that your girlfriend is not putting effort into making your time together worthwhile, it must give you a hint. No matter how much you try to make your bonding exciting and memorable, you cannot force her to play along. 5. She is no longer sweet and clingy. Another sign that she wants to end the relationship already is how she refuses to be romantic. You can tell this if she is not clingy to you anymore. Like she does not demand your password or time anymore. Or probably she is no longer the sweet girl who loves to cuddle with you. Weakening communication line. 6. You sense she hides thoughts and secrets from you. When was the last time your girlfriend opened up about her thoughts? She is probably confiding with someone else if she does not talk to you about her feelings or problems anymore. Maybe your relationship is her current trouble, and she has no courage to confront you about it. 7. Calls and messages are seldom responded to. If she is not answering most of your calls, texts, and chats anymore, it is clear that your relationship has a problem. It is obvious that she has started to avoid you. Maybe she is only waiting for the right time to break up with you. 8. She does not initiate conversations anymore. Aside from not responding to your communication efforts, you probably notice that she does not initiate contact lately. She does not approach or message you for anything. Conversations only happen whenever you contact her about something important. Apart from that, it seems like she has nothing to say to you at all. 9. Late-night calls are out of the picture. If no's 7 and 8 are already present, never expect your late-night conversations over the phone to happen ever again. She is not interested in losing sleep because of you anymore. Just accept the reality. 10. She is not interested in talking about your problems. This is another sign that your communication line is getting cut soon. Your girlfriend is not willing to resolve your conflicts anymore. She does not see why you should try to save the relationship harder. Unwelcoming social circle. 11. You are not invited to her get-togethers anymore. If she is no longer taking you to her friends' parties or their bonding, just accept the reality that you are no longer part of their circle. She does not want you to hang out with them anymore. Why? Simply because she is kicking you out of her life soon. 12. She does not associate with your family and friends. And how about her? Has she stopped visiting and talking with your family and friends? Is she keeping her distance from them? Well, it means she is starting to depart your social circle too. 13. You are no longer introduced as the boyfriend. Have you noticed how she introduced you to other people lately? If she would only tell them your name but not mention how you are related, take it as a sign. And did she remove her relationship status with you on Facebook too? 14. Her family is suddenly cold to you. If you can sense that her family is not welcoming towards you anymore, you should ask why. Has she told them that you are breaking up soon? Or probably she told them how lousy of a boyfriend you are, so she plans to dump you. 15. You catch her friends teasing her to some other guys. Have you ever caught her friends teasing her to another guy at work, school, or gym? They will not do it if they respect your relationship. However, if they are aware that your girlfriend is looking for someone else, they might even help her. Excluding you from her life. 16. She does not consult you for decisions anymore. Has she been making decisions without your knowledge? If yes, it shows that she no longer respects you as her boyfriend. She does not consider you her partner at all. 17. You are no longer aware of her plans. Aside from not involving you in her decision-making, she has probably kicked you out of her plans too. For instance, maybe she has decided to live abroad without your knowing. Of course, that would leave you questioning what would happen to your relationship. 18. Her recent social media posts do not tell you exist. When was the last time she posted about you or your relationship on social media? If it had been a while, it is a sign that she started falling out of love quite a while ago. 19. You are not updated on her ups and downs. What is the latest news about your girlfriend? Does she still update you about the happenings in her life? If she does not share her new achievements or even failures with you, you should ask if she still thinks of you as a partner. 20. She is always unavailable or busy. How often do you see your girlfriend these days? When was the last time you went out on a date, or did she let you visit you at home? If your partner says she is always busy and she has no more time for you, it is a hint that she wants to part ways with you. Let her go. If these signs tell you that your girlfriend does not want to be with you anymore, take the initiative to confront the issue. Have a heart-to-heart talk with her. If it is confirmed that she wants to end the relationship, let her have her freedom even if it hurts. Thanks for watching.